So in this video, we will learn how to use a range function in Python. So I'm using VS Code. I made what range function does, it will give you a range within a number. I mean, I apologize. It will give you a range of numbers. Okay, and you can see this is a range from 0 through 9. So range in this function, so this is the output I'm showing you. And so I like to see the output before I start writing the code. Otherwise, the person is just doing or writing some code, what they have in their head, and they want me to guess what does it mean or what this code does. That is why I am showing you the output first, so we understand what is the outcome or where we are going with this. Okay, so we are going to use a range function. So range function give me a range. This is a range. It starts, if I don't specify the starting point or starting number, it will start at 0. Now I chose 10. You don't have to choose 10. You can choose another number and I will show you. And then it will make a list. So let's save this code, Control S to save, and let's run it. So we're going to run our code to see the output. And as you can see, this below in this terminal, we have the output 0 through 9. 10 is not included. 10 is not included. Now, let's say if you want to change, you want to see 15, 1 through 15, all you have to do is just change the stopping or end point where you want to stop, and that number where you're stopping is not included. Keep that in mind. Control S to save, and let's run it again. And now, as you can see, the output is from 0 through 14. Okay, so that is one way of using range. Now, what if I want to specify a starting number? So this is my next example that I'm going to show you. We can start from any number. All we have to do, just change this code, or what change we have to make to specify a starting number and end number. So before I show you, let me clear this CLS to clear this terminal, enter, and now it's clear. Now let me take you to the second code where I have the starting number is 1 and I'm stopping at 15. So 15 is not included. It's going to go from 1 through 14. Okay, so let's save this code. Control S to save. But I don't want to print line number 2. So I'm going to comment this out. And I am going to just show you the start and a stop. So we can control which number should we start with and which number we want our code to stop. Okay, so here is the output. This is what we are going to see. This is our goal. This is what we want to accomplish. And the code is very similar. All we have to do, use the range function and give me the starting point or starting number and the end number or the stop number. Okay, so let's save this. Control S to save. Let's run this code. And now, as you can see, the starting point or starting number is 1 and the end number is 14. We can change it to, let's change it to, what do we want to change? Let's say 5. Change it 5 through, let's say 25. Control S to save. And our output is going to change. Let's run it again. And now, as you can see, we're starting from 5 and go all the way up to 24. Okay, so that is a start and a stop. That is how we can print a range from any starting point and any stopping point. Okay, so I have one more code for you to show, to explain. Let me clear this. So CLS to clear. And I don't want to print line number 6, so I'm going to comment this out. And now, what if I want to print every other number starting at 1? So I want to print 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay, so that is the output. So Control S to save, and let's run our code. And now, as you can see, this called step. Okay, so give me the starting number, which is 1. Give me the stop number where we're supposed to stop. That's 15. And step over or skip. So skip by 2. So 1 plus 2 is, so starting at 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So that is the stop. So we ran our code, and here is the output. Okay, now we can change this. Let's say if you want to start at 5 and you want to go up to 30. So let's go one above 31, and we want every fifth number. Okay, so Control S to say, like I'm writing a table, five table. So let's Control S to save. Let's run it again. And what happened? Something happened. Something did not work. Did I save? Did it work? Control S to save. I saved it. Range list. Let's run this again. Oh, okay. Oh, it did run. Somehow I missed it. I was reading this. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so that is, so I stop at 30, but you can stop at any number you want. Let's say if you want to go up to 50, so let's go 51, and let's take every fifth number. So Control S to save. I want to clear my terminal, CLS, and let's run our code. And as you can see, now we start at 5, 10, 15. Every fifth number in this range is printed. So that is how you use a range function in Python. So I gave you 3 different examples. If I don't use a start point or starting point, if I use a start point, and if I use a start, a stop, and a step point. Thank you for watching. If this is helpful and you are learning something new and you enjoy the way I explain, slowly I break it down, show you the output, would you please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Thank you so much.